The Garmin Fenix 8 is here. It's packed with new features that make it a strong contender in the smartwatch market. Building on the success of its predecessors, the Fenix 8 introduces several upgrades designed to enhance durability, functionality, and user experience. Increased durability. The Garmin Fenix 8 has been built to withstand the toughest environments. Garmin has focused on enhancing the durability of this model, ensuring it can endure extreme conditions without compromising performance. Whether you're hiking through rough terrain, engaging in intense workouts, or simply going about your daily routine, the Fenix 8 is designed to keep up. Dive functionality. The Garmin Fenix 8 takes your adventures underwater with its new dive functionality. It's capable of supporting recreational diving, making it a great choice for divers who want to track their underwater activities. The watch is certified for water resistance and is EN 13319 certified, which means it can handle single gas dives down to 40 meters. Speaker and microphone. One of the stand-up features of the Fenix 8 is the addition of a built-in speaker and microphone. These components allow for hands-free communication, making it easier to take calls or interact with voice assistants directly from your wrist. This upgrade adds convenience and functionality, enabling users to stay connected without having to reach for their phone. Updated user interface. The Fenix 8 comes with an updated user interface that enhances the overall user experience. Garmin has redesigned the interface to make navigation more intuitive and customization easier. Whether you're tracking workouts, checking notifications, or adjusting settings, a new interface ensures that everything is just a few taps away. This improvement aims to provide a smoother, more enjoyable user experience, making it simpler to get the most out of your watch. Sizes and display options. The Garmin Fenix 8 offers flexibility with its 3 available sizes: 51mm, 47mm, and 43mm. This range allows users to choose the best fit for their wrist and preferences. Additionally, the Fenix 8 has merged with the Apex lineup, offering both memory and pixel, solar, and ANOLED display options. ANOLED version. The ANOLED display option is available exclusively in the 47mm size of the Fenix 8. AMOLED screens are known for their vivid colors and deep blacks, enhancing display readability and overall visual appeal. This version of the Fenix 8 is designed to provide a premium viewing experience, making it a great choice for users who prioritize high-quality displays. Solar efficiency and display readability. Solar efficiency is another area where the Fenix 8 shines. Garmin has improved the solar charging capabilities of the Fenix 8, allowing for longer usage times and reducing the need for frequent recharges. Price point. The Garmin Fenix 8 is priced at $799, making it a more affordable option compared to some of its high-end competitors. This pricing reflects the balance Garmin has achieved between advanced features and cost, providing users with a high-performance smartwatch at a competitive price point. Testing and reviews. The Garmin Fenix 8 has undergone extensive real-world testing to ensure it meets the needs of various activities. Whether you're biking, running, hiking, or weight training, the Fenix 8 is designed to perform reliably in diverse scenarios. It's been tested in a range of conditions to validate its durability, accuracy, and functionality. For those interested in deeper insights, there's an in-depth review available for the Enduro 3, which shares a wealth of information on performance and user experience. Hardware changes. The Fenix 8 introduces several notable hardware changes. It features a new sensor guard and leak-proof buttons, which enhance the watch's durability and reliability. These improvements are designed to protect the internal components and ensure the watch remains functional, even after prolonged use in challenging conditions. Battery life. Battery life is a crucial aspect of any smartwatch, and the Garmin Fenix 8 delivers with improved efficiency. The watch boasts enhanced solar charging capabilities, which contribute to extended battery life. This means users can enjoy longer periods of usage between charges, making it ideal for extended outdoor adventures and long training sessions. At $799, the Fenix 8 offers excellent value for its features and performance. Extensive real-world testing and in-depth reviews highlight its reliability across various activities, and new hardware changes, such as the sensor guard and leak-proof buttons, further bolster its robustness. Overall, the Garmin Fenix 8 is a well-rounded and high-performance smartwatch that stands out in its category. It combines durability, advanced features, and affordability, making it a compelling choice for anyone in the market for a new smartwatch.